Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as like a pregnant character on Dress to Impress. So I'm gonna put this shirt first. I'm just gonna color it white. Turn off that, and I'm just going to add like a skirt to slay. I don't know, you can use any outfit you like. Then we're going to grab the pumpkin over here. That was so cringe. Anyways, select the like matte material and color it white on both. Looks like a belly already, but I'm just going to add the teddy bear and do the third toggle, so it looks like she's holding the belly a little bit more. You can kind of like change the bear, obviously, like the pattern. Should I turn it? I'm gonna turn it into like this brown bear, maybe. I don't know. Maybe something like that. I'm trying to like find like a cute pattern for it. But that's pretty much it, really. It's that simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.